Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've got another little free layout demo for you today from Divi Supreme, and this will actually work with the free version of Divi Supreme, so you don't have to buy the pro version. Halfway down the page you can download the layout here. When you've installed it and downloaded it, you get these three great little layouts for Contact Form 7. And Contact Form 7 is a great addition to any WordPress site actually, but for Divi it gives you more functionality and you can add a file upload button and things like that. And Contact Form 7 is absolutely free. Here's the second one, this little nice little dark one here. And the third one down the bottom with a little animation up at the top. And I'll show you how to download, install and use these. So obviously I'll put this link below the video, hit the download. I'm using Google Chrome, so it'll download the layout to my browser. If you're using a different browser, it's going to download to your default location. Once downloaded, it's going to download it as a zip file, so you need to extract it. And it'll give you a JSON file which we're going to use. Now you need to import this into your Divi library, and to do that you need to go down to your dashboard, down to Divi, down to Divi library. Up at the top here you're going to find import and export. I want to import it obviously, so I'm going to click on the import tab. You can hit choose file and browse to your download location. I'm simply going to drag and drop mine. I've got it right here, the JSON file. Then drop it where it says no file selected there. Import layout. And there we are, free layout Divi Contact Form 7. Now obviously to use this, let's create a new page. Actually before we do that, you need to have Contact Form 7 installed. Now Contact Form 7 is a free email plugin, and to get it just go to your plugins. I've already got mine installed here, and we want to go up to add new and simply write contact form or contact form 7, whatever. It should come up with just contact form. There it is, first one on the list. Simply install now. It'll have an install now. Like I say, mine's already installed and activated. Once you install it, hit the activate button, which will be there, and you'll have a little icon saying contact there. Now it comes as default with one little form already created, which has got a basic fields that you saw in my demo up there. Now to configure this, I've done a video on this. I'll drop the link below if you want to learn how to configure this and add file upload buttons and things like that. It's very easy once you've done it a couple times. Like I say, I'll put the link to the video below this one for anybody that needs to check that out. So we've got it installed and we've already got one form there, and a form has a shortcode. Here's the shortcode for the form at the top. So let's use our downloaded layout. I'm going to create a new page. Give it a name obviously. I want to use the Divi builder. I'm going to browse layouts, the middle one here, and go to your saved layouts. I've got a lot of them in my library here, and here's the Contact Form 7 one. I'm simply going to left click on that. And there we go, it's actually loaded in there, but if we look down, there's going to be no form there because we haven't told it to load any of our forms. You can save several forms in Contact Form 7. As you see, it says no form found. So simply go in there, click on the module and select the contact form that you want to put in there. And I'm using the generic one they put in there. Simply going to hit yes. And as you can see, that's popped that in there. I'm going to do the same for the second one here. And again for the third one. And this is a very easy way for doing it. You don't have to copy a shortcode or anything like that. And like I say, this works with the free version of Divi Supreme, so you don't have to buy the Pro for this today. So let's save this and save our draft. Exit the Visual Builder. And here we have it. Now, of course, you don't want to have their writing and stuff for your form. There's the forms that we put in there. And like I say, that's the generic ones you get with it. You're going to want to put in your own sort of stuff here. And to reuse this, put it on an existing page or add a new page, let's enable the Visual Builder again. Simply decide which one you want to use. So let's use this dark one down here. Now, you can either just grab the module or the row. I'm going to take the whole section, this blue tab right here, blue for a section, green for a row, dark for the module. I'm going to save it to my library. To do that, a little round icon just to the left of the trash can there. Call it whatever you want to. Call mine Contact Form 1. Save it to my library. Now we can go to a new or an existing page. And let's enable the Visual Builder. Now remember, I saved it as a section, so I want to add a new section. So I'm going to add a new section at the bottom here. I'm going to add it from my library. There it is right at the top, CF1. We can save the page changes. And exit the Visual Builder. Roll on down. And we now got that form on our page here. And of course, you can go into the module, style it, change anything you want here. Can't change the form, you have to change the form in Contact Form 7. But you can certainly change the title and everything like that. And you've got the nice little submit button on the bottom. So there you go, guys. There is a new little free layout from Divi Supreme modules. Like I say, Divi Supreme is one of my favorite add-ons for the Divi theme. It really does turbocharge Divi, the Pro version. The free version, I'm sure, is wonderful, but I've already got the Pro version. And like I say, this apparently, according to their documentation here, will work with the free version. So there you go, guys. There's the new free layout from Divi Supreme modules and how to use it. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.